OpenAI just did something huge, and most people haven't even noticed. ChatGPT 5.0 is here, quietly unleashed. And it's not just another upgrade. It's the biggest leap in artificial intelligence we've ever seen. This new model can see, hear, remember, reason, and even browse the internet in real time. Yet almost no one knows how to actually access it or what it can do. By the time you finish this video, you'll know exactly why GPT-5 is different, how to unlock its full potential, and why it's about to completely transform the way you live, work, and create. Here's the wild part. OpenAI didn't announce GPT-5 with fanfare. No big press conference, no viral launch campaign. Instead, they quietly rolled it out to select premium ChatGPT users. No hype, just raw capability, hidden in plain sight. Why keep it so low-key? OpenAI is watching closely as early adopters explore the boundaries, looking for feedback, surprises, and maybe even risks before opening the gates to everyone. Right now, if you know where to look, you could be months ahead of the crowd, learning, building, and creating with tech that most people don't even know exists yet. Let's start with what makes GPT-5 truly revolutionary: its multimodal superpowers. Previous versions of ChatGPT were limited to text. GPT-4 could handle some images and audio, sure, but GPT-5 seamlessly integrates text, images, audio, and video all at once. This means you can upload a PDF, drop in a photo, add a voice memo, and even link a video. And GPT-5 will parse it all, connecting the dots and delivering answers that span every format. Picture this. You're studying for finals. You upload your textbook, your handwritten lecture notes, and a video of the professor's explanation. GPT-5 merges everything, summarizes the key points, explains complex concepts in plain English, even generates quiz questions tailored to your weak spots. Or suppose you're a technician troubleshooting a machine failure. You send a video of the malfunction, some technical manuals, and audio of the strange noises it's making. GPT-5 doesn't just spot the issue. It gives you step-by-step repair instructions, referencing relevant diagrams and safety warnings. This isn't just smart search or clever Q&A. It's AI that truly connects multiple worlds of information in real time for richer, more actionable responses. But it goes even deeper. GPT-5 can process live video feeds. Imagine walking around your house with your phone's camera on. GPT-5 analyzes the scene, identifies objects, suggests improvements, and even tracks down that set of keys you lost last week. Stream a football match, and it'll break down plays, highlight player stats, and predict outcomes, all on the fly. It doesn't just see what's in front of the lens, it understands context, relationships, and intent. This opens the door to a whole new category of interactive experiences, from hands-on learning to real-time coaching and troubleshooting. Remember the old ChatGPT, where every new conversation was a blank slate? GPT-5 finally fixes this. It's got persistent memory. It remembers your name, your preferences, your favorite topics, your ongoing projects, and builds a personal knowledge base tuned just for you. Say you're planning a business launch. Instead of re-explaining your goals with every session, GPT-5 picks up where you left off, tracking milestones, deadlines, and new ideas automatically. You can reset or clear the memory whenever you want, but as long as you keep it active. It's like having a virtual project manager who never forgets and always adapts to your needs. Now let's talk about reasoning skills. This is where GPT-5 feels almost superhuman. Multi-step math problems? No problem. It solves them with full explanations, showing every step, catching errors, and offering alternative approaches. Coding? GPT-5 can build full-stack applications, comment the code, debug issues, and even refactor for efficiency in minutes, not days. Data-backed business plans? It pulls from the latest research, crunches numbers, and drafts detailed proposals that stand up to real-world scrutiny. And here's the kicker. GPT-5 is 300% faster than GPT-4, multitasking with ease and never sacrificing accuracy for speed. It's like having an army of experts in one mind, ready to tackle any challenge you throw at it. But what really sets GPT-5 apart is how human it feels. The new voice mode lets you talk to it in real time, and it's so natural that you'll forget you're speaking with a machine. No robotic pauses, no flat tone, just smooth, responsive conversation that adapts to your mood, switching between friendly, motivational, or professional as needed. It's a level of emotional intelligence and subtlety that makes AI truly approachable. Whether you're asking for advice, collaborating on a creative project, or just making small talk. And while previous versions of ChatGPT often lagged behind the latest news, GPT-5 browses the web live while you chat. Want fresh stock prices? Breaking headlines? The newest scientific studies? GPT-5 pulls it all in, seconds after it happens, delivering up-to-the-minute answers and insights. You're no longer limited to what the model was trained on. GPT-5 keeps you connected to the pulse of the internet. So what does this mean for real-world use? Let's break it down. Students now have a personal tutor who never sleeps. GPT-5 explains concepts, tests your understanding, creates custom study guides, and adapts to your progress. It can even analyze your homework and provide detailed feedback, helping you learn smarter, not harder. Business owners automate research, marketing, and customer service. Want to draft a business plan, analyze competitors, or run a targeted ad campaign? GPT-5 does it all, pulling fresh data, writing copy, and generating reports in hours instead of weeks. Creators storyboard, script, and edit faster than ever before. Whether you're writing a novel, planning a video, or designing graphics, GPT-5 helps brainstorm ideas, polish drafts, and even generate royalty-free visuals and audio clips. Developers debug code, build full apps, and automate workflows with unprecedented speed. GPT-5 doesn't just write code. It explains best practices, helps architect complex systems, and even reviews your pull requests for errors. And let's not forget everyday users. Need to plan a trip? GPT-5 finds flights, books hotels, checks the weather, and builds a custom itinerary. Want to cook dinner? It'll analyze what's in your fridge, suggest recipes, and even walk you through the steps, with video or audio support as needed. GPT-5 isn't just an assistant, it's a partner. It learns your style, anticipates your needs, and evolves with you, unlocking new levels of productivity and creativity. So why don't most people have GPT-5 yet? That's the catch. Right now, GPT-5 is locked behind the premium ChatGPT Plus and Pro plans. Free users only get a taste before being bumped down to GPT-5 Mini, which offers limited capabilities. And even if you've upgraded, you might need to turn on GPT-5 in your settings to access the full power. Early adopters, those who figured this out first, are already months ahead, using GPT-5 to leapfrog competitors, learn faster, and build smarter. Developers, meanwhile, can integrate GPT-5 into their own apps via the OpenAI API, choosing different models like GPT-5 Mini and GPT-5 Nano to balance speed, cost, and capability. This means we're on the verge of seeing GPT-5 power a whole new wave of intelligent software, from AI-powered productivity tools to advanced creative platforms. The feedback from early adopters has been overwhelmingly positive. Companies like JetBrains, GitHub, and Notion report dramatic improvements in performance and efficiency. JetBrains, for example, saw a 1.5x boost in output using GPT-5 for UI design, full-stack development, and more. This isn't just hype, it's real productivity gains, already transforming how industry leaders work. But this is just the beginning. GPT-5 is paving the way for AI that can act in the physical world, serve as co-pilots for every profession, and integrate seamlessly into wearables, smart devices, and augmented reality. Imagine walking down the street with AR glasses. GPT-5 overlays real-time information, directions, and reminders, turning every moment into an opportunity for learning and growth. The line between human and AI collaboration is blurring faster than anyone expected. And while safety remains a top priority, GPT-5 introduces a new system called Safe Completions. If you ask something risky or sensitive, it won't just shut you down. Instead, it provides partial answers and helpful alternatives, guiding you to safer, more constructive outcomes. This balance of openness and caution is critical as AI becomes a trusted partner in more and more aspects of daily life. So what should you do right now? If you're still using GPT-4, you're missing out on hundreds of hours saved, better decisions, and smarter results. Upgrade. Turn on GPT-5 and start experimenting today, because the future won't wait. Here's how to get started. If you're a ChatGPT Plus or Pro subscriber, check your settings and make sure GPT-5 is enabled. Explore its multimodal features. Try uploading documents, images, audio, and video. Test its voice mode and see how natural the conversation feels. Ask it to browse the web live, pull in the latest news, or analyze real-time data. The more you use it, the more it adapts to you, learning your style and anticipating your needs. If you're a developer, dig into the OpenAI API and experiment with GPT-5 integration. Whether you're building a productivity tool, a creative platform, or an educational app, GPT-5's extended context window, now up to 400,000 tokens, lets you handle long-form content and complex conversations with ease. You can choose the right model for your needs, balancing latency, cost, and capability for a truly customized experience. And for everyone else, stay curious, try new things, and don't get left behind. AI is moving faster than ever, and those who embrace the change early will have the biggest advantage. The bottom line is this: GPT-5 isn't just a smarter chatbot. It's a full-spectrum intelligence that sees, hears, remembers, reasons, and connects you to the live pulse of the internet. It's the first step toward AI that truly collaborates with humans, not just as a tool, but as a creative, adaptive partner. Imagine a future where your AI knows your goals, helps you reach them, and grows alongside you. Where learning is personalized, work is automated, and creativity is amplified. GPT-5 is the foundation for that future, and it's available now if you know where to look. So, don't wait. Upgrade, experiment, and discover what GPT-5 can do for you. The next wave of AI is already here, quietly changing everything. Be one of the few who gets it first. Unlock GPT-5 and let it change your life.